With the exception of Apple, each other tech devotees is absolutely clear about the up-and-coming Apple iPhone SE 2, aka the Apple iPhone SE second era. In this way, here are the things that we think about the up-and-coming iPhone from the main iPhone producer. The Apple iPhone SE 2 is relied upon to include all-glass unibody arrangement like the one on the Apple iPhone 8 and Apple iPhone X. The glass configuration will empower the cell phone creator to actualize quick remote using a IP67 water and tidal protection rating. The new plan is welcome, however the all-glass unibody outline just expands the odds of breaking the telephone twice contrasted with the metal unibody plan.